Guys, today we'll talk about how can you start Health Connect on your Samsung Health app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Just we need to open video, then you go down here, so and you click here on Health Connect here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on get started here, and you come to this list here. So here if you want to allow all here, or here can you choose if you want to allow this. So can you choose, just click on steps or speed here. For example, and you click here on allow, then it's going to take you to, when you click here on allow, it's going to take you to this list here. So in here if you want to add so I'm going to add here, so and like you see now, it's going to connect with us here. When you go down, you just click here on Health Connect here. So and like you see here, it's connect with us here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.